Hey, good morning. Welcome to another episode of Motilnet. This morning we're going to do a little follow-up on the world's favorite stock, Apple AAPL. So yesterday we had a earnings report, kind of mixed. It was very strong. However, iPhone sales and iPad sales were down a little bit, but subscriptions were up, and sales were only at around 89 billion, slightly below estimates. But it's okay. It's a standard summer quarter for Apple. Usually Q2 is meh, Q3 should pick up, and the Q4 report should be strong because you're going to have the iPhone 15 in there. So I have the daily chart kind of open. We are running on a nice ascending wedge, and that's been going on since the beginning of January. I already measured out where we're at. So using the top point at 1, and then we drop down to the bottom, which was at 124. The high was 198.41. 50% is sitting at 161.42, which happens to almost line up with the 200 on the daily, which is crossing right at that line right now. What we would like to see, based on this morning's action, it's already happening. Pre-market, we're at 185.45, which is just below the 50 moving average on the daily. So that should be the test, right? Basically, you want to see it come here, hold around the 50, and then continue back, make its way to all-time highs and break it and get to that 200 level. Now, that's on the overall chart. Let's look at the daily chart now. So this is the 15-minute intraday. Yesterday was very flat. Everyone was waiting for the numbers. Right after the bell, when the numbers came in, we had a nice pop. It was going to be on target to get to that 197.94, which is almost at the all-time high of 198, and with a target of around $200. That didn't happen. So what we want to do is now we want to measure out the down wick here, and the 1618 is 186.31. We just broke below that. So I'm trying to hold it. So the next line is at 180.27, and then 174.23. So let's just open the daily one more time, and then see where is 180.27. Look at that. It lines to the 2618. Dead on. The 2618 lines up here with the 786, both at 182. So that kind of tells me we might see something like that over the next couple of days. If things work out into the benefit of Apple, like the interest rates go down a little bit, it should pop really quickly. Like we're really right at the all-time highs. If you're going for a long, I would probably suggest somewhere enter maybe around 180. If it gets down here, right now it's sitting at 185.80, so it's just trending over the just below the 50. You can get in around 180, have a stop at 174, and let it go. If you're going for a short, well, at 197, if it does retest and fail, so if it comes up and fails, you might want to get in around 195 to 197, with a stop like at 201, and then ride it back down to like the 175 area, 170. Again, not sure if it's going to happen. This is Apple, right? So guys, play safe, stay smart, keep your stops tight.